All right, what's up again, everyone? Today we're going to be showing you a quick and easy solution to add a table to your Sprinter van, or any camper van really. So first things first is the bracket that Cardiff Camper Van makes. Again, we'll link their website down below. There's instructions and everything on how to install it. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I'm just going to show you where it is, how it looks, and then we're going to install the table so you can actually see. Alrighty guys, so obviously back seat, and there's actually a cup holder here and a cup holder over here typically on the other side as well. And to properly install this, you want to remove that other cup holder, and as you can see, this whole bracket piece comes across here and just bolts right into the frame of the seat, runs all the way across, and it is at the perfect angle. I don't know if you can see that back there. So I'm not sure if you can see it here guys, but right back here there's the perfect angle. The seat posts actually kind of come at a slight degree. It's not straight up and down, so you want your table to sit up straight up and down. So this bracket has a little piece here that has the perfect angle so that your bracket that comes with the table sits perfectly up and straight up and down, so that you don't have any issues. So that is the bracket made by Cardiff Camper Van. Really easy to install, bolts right in. I believe, if I remember well, I just used self-tapping screws for this. And yeah, it gives plenty of support. It doesn't budge. So now we're gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put the table in so you can see. All right guys, so here it is. This is the Lagoon table. Sorry, Lagoon mounting system. The topper is actually from another company. You can make your own, or you can order these as well. This is the medium-sized tabletop. This Lagoon setup is used in camper vans, used in boats, used in all sorts of stuff. So it's a really nice system, really just quick release. Everything just bolts in, really easy. Just go ahead and tighten things down and you're done. So it's really simple. We're gonna go ahead and install this, show you guys exactly what it is. And it's really nice because everything actually slides in and stores on the table itself, on the base that the Lagoon table sends you. Alright guys, so you take the first piece, just install it on the bracket on the bottom of the table, and tighten it down. Next, we'll take this bracket, fold this up so you can see. This piece here, slide it down onto the bracket that the Lagoon table sends you, that is mounted onto the bracket from Cardiff Camper Van that sets up your angle correctly. Slide that down, crank that nice and tight, and now we just line up the hole here with this piece. Tighten it down, and that is it guys. So it's nice because it's adjustable. You can kind of swivel it around. You can turn it as needed, and that is your best option for a table in your Sprinter van, especially with a crew. Makes things really easy. Also with this, you can adjust how high you have it. So I do have kids. There is a full-on car seat here, and then just a booster seat here. This clears both of them height-wise, and there's no issues. So check them out. Again, I'm gonna link Cardiff Camper Van down below. They do all sorts of custom builds, and but they also make these kind of one-off items for people to help the DIYer do it at home. So thanks for checking it out guys, and we'll see you on the next one.